I got gold around my neck, that shit'll make you blink.
YouTube, what is up? What is good with you guys? It's the Boul. Shout out to the Boul Nation. Here, I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. It's Friday, man. I got a nice little drink here. And we have a new unboxing video, and this one it's kind of been the wait for long because, as you see by the title, I finally upgraded my iPhone 12. As you see, this beautiful thing right here, no case. But let's see, I got this back in 2021, like April 2021. Let's see how close, but it's kind of scratched up. Well, there you go. Like, yeah, she's kind of scratched up on the sides. Seems better days, but you know, it still works. It still works great actually. But it was really time for upgrade. So, in this lovely box here, we got the new thing. I was kind of hesitant at first though, because obviously, like, you know, like whenever any kind of new technology comes out, there's always like issues. I know it was at first. I think it was like the battery, or like it was like overheating, and then well, a few other things going on, but I think I should be good to go. And yep. And also, since I will be trading my phone in, they sent me a nice little bum mailer for it as well. Also, let me know if y'all keep me your iPhones or not, because I went from the iPhone 8 Plus to the iPhone 12 to now the 15. So I traded in both. So I'm like, I'm not gonna use the phone. Like, the phone's gonna be in my drawer, collect dust. But let me know in the comments if y'all carry your phones or not. But yeah, package. Shout out to T-Mobile. A rare shout out for T-Mobile right there, because I had to upgrade my plan and do all the stuff to get like a bigger trading discount, and yeah. But this is what we got. Bam. So I got the iPhone 15 Pro, blue titanium, because blue is my favorite color. Yeah, so I'm saying this is regular, no box how it is. I know a lot of people complaining, like, you know, Apple really don't put much stuff in there now, which is true, because a lot is like now is just, I need just like a phone and just a cord, and that's pretty much about it. Oh, I get the bottom part. Yeah, what I said before, like, you had a cord, you had like a block, you had headphones, but obviously now there's got AirPods. Like, ooh, yes sir, and bam. Yep. So let's get to the main part first. So here we got the phone, pretty heavy actually. Like, it's actually got like compared to my iPhone 12, this is really heavy. I guess because of the titanium finish. But yeah, phone pretty husky. 3 cameras on the back. Yeah, it looks really sleek. I definitely like the titanium finish on. Like, it's kind of like a matte finish on it. I like that. And then the screen, fresh screen right there. Nice. So I'm gonna put this back on there because I want to get messy right now. But yep, and then we got the very controversial USB-C thing, because you know, a lot of people had like buy new blouse. I see this is what else is in the box. Like, it's literally just the phone, cord, and then like the manual thing that probably won't need. But yeah, so it made just 2 things that come in the box: this and the phone. So I'm pretty sure I do have a USB-C cable, so I should be good to go on that. But I know a lot of people was complaining about that, but yeah, man, I'm happy. I'm excited. Like I said, like, I would definitely do for upgrades, big do for upgrades. So, and then like I know T-Mobile kind of has like the way to set it up. So, I probably gotta charge this up first. So let me try to charge this up first. Let me see. Yeah, let me check. Oh, good. Okay. Yeah, let me do this real quick. So hold on. And I'll be as true the Boul Nate fashion. As I was activating these phones, well, this phone from that phone, camera died. So I gotta give y'all kind of like a background recap. But again, it was really simple to upgrade the well, not upgrade, to activate the phone. So pretty much easy to turn on the phone, and then make sure you got both phones together, both phones are charged, because it will take a while like to transfer everything. But you know, on the current device, your body will pop up, and then it will do the same thing on the new phone. They gotta just like go through the motions, then eventually like it asks for your current device password, which is the same as your old phone. Boom, and then that will continue to add more stuff to it, and you can set up your Face ID or Touch ID depending on your new device. And yeah, like it's really like Apple really like streamlined this. So like you just gotta do a few steps, enter a couple passwords, like your Apple ID password, your device password, and pretty much does the rest. So yeah, more importantly, you gotta keep both phones close together, and then make sure both are charged though. So this phone's charged, and then like I was put this on the charger itself. So yeah, pretty easy, pretty simple. Like I said, I wish I could have showed you all the steps, but you know, camera died. And also like with Apple Pay is pretty easy. Like a lot of the cards that's saved on your old phone that will come up on your new phone, you might have to like either like put in like the security code in the back, or maybe like get like a new get like a 6-digit like security code to activate it. But it's fine. Cloud Drive is cool. Like pretty much everything on my old devices on there, like all the apps, photos, videos, contacts, everything's on there. So but can you see me? Okay, there we go. But yeah, so far the phone's pretty good. Like honestly, it feels kind of the same as 12. Like, but you can definitely notice like how quick it is, like switching pages or going on the browser, and then like that. Obviously, like I haven't played with the camera yet. Like that's kind of the main thing. Like the camera's like super crazy. You can make good edits on it, and then like that. So I haven't deep dug into that yet, but. No, so far so good, and I'm glad because on my iPhone 12 I had 64 gigs of storage. So a lot of times I had to play like cat like storage. Like I had to offload ads, I delete things, move things around, delete ads when re-add them. So like now having 256 gigs is amazing. I almost got 512, but like I don't think I need that right now. Maybe like next phone I'll probably get 512, or maybe got a terabyte. It's crazy, but not yet. But as always, if you like the videos, get a thumbs up. Like I said, I'm definitely glad I was able to upgrade my phone. Needed it badly. And I'm definitely glad to give y'all another unboxing video. But until then, I'll catch y'all next time.